8-year investigation, FBI, and local police coordinate on high-profile sex trafficking case.
FBI is conducting their own investigation at your residence.
Alex, yeah? Get him, come in, and the front manager, ask him to call him. It's 3606. The guy with the mustache, he's one of the managers there. He said he was going to call him, but we told him to hold off. But go ahead and call him. They're saying he's not there. What's that, Alex? It's 3606. Let me know when he gets a hold of him. And if anything, tell him there's something wrong with his apartment or his car. Yeah, we're here at the door. He's not opening.
Cam's done?
No, it doesn't matter. I won't be able to get out of here. If you want to stop, si quieren, macho, pero si no, put me here, I won't be able to go out.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
¿Ya?
Hang on. ID and phone. Right now? $11.88. I'll be transporting one male 05 to CID.
I don't have my BWC on me right now.
1188. Arrival CID. There you go. Yes, sir. What's wrong? No, I just got CID. Yeah. I just transported. And yeah, I'll call you in a bit. Make a right. No. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Can we remove the handcuffs?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Thank you.
Need anything?
Have some water?
Oren?
Yes.
Hi, I'm Jessica. This is my partner, Alon. Do you want water or coffee or anything? Maybe
Some
coffee?
hot water?
Hot water?
Yeah.
I'll get that to my camera. Okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. Obviously, as you're aware, the FBI is conducting their own investigation at your residence. I don't have anything to do with that. I'm actually here to speak to you about allegations that were made against you, some time ago. So if that's something that you wanna speak to me about, we can obviously
So-
move forward.
So you're not involved with the FBI? You're not?
No.
So the FBI,
I can't speak on what
Okay.
they have, because I don't work with the FBI. I'm with Miami Beach Police Department, so that is completely separate. I am investigating something that happened in our jurisdiction, and by our, I mean Miami Beach.
when?
It was gonna be some time ago, an incident that took place in 2017.
Where?
Well, I have to first see if you wanna get into it with me. I would have to read you, your rights, so we can get into details. But again, it's your prerogative.
I'm not gonna speak
You
without my
don't?
attorney.
Okay, I completely understand that. Do you have any questions for me? Obviously not related to the case, because you said that you want legal counsel, so.
Yeah, where's my wife?
I believe, again, since.
Yeah.
I believe she remained at the residence.
Okay.
I know she's very much pregnant.
Okay.
So from what I saw, they are completely treating her, as a pregnant, very pregnant woman. And my understanding is she and her mother-in-law, I'm assuming that's who that was, I'm not entirely sure. But I did see them, I saw them there, and they were fine.
Okay.
Okay? So I just wanna confirm that you do not wish to speak to me without an attorney.
Correct.
Okay, that's perfectly fine. I will be removing my camera. Here's your hot water. If you need anything, just give a knock, okay?
Thank you.
You're
So,
welcome.
we're gonna speak to the FBI?
I don't know. Not from my understanding, no. I don't know how that's gonna develop. Again, I don't.
Do we know why I'm being arrested?
No, I can't speak to you about anything. Since you don't wanna talk to me, I can't talk to you about the facts.
I know, I'm just asking why I'm being arrested.
We can't really discuss, if you wanted to speak to me, then I would have to read the Miranda, and then we could go into detail. But since we're not doing that, I can't really do that, okay?
But am I being arrested by Miami Beach
Yes.
Police Department?
Mhm.
So I'm not being arrested by FBI?
Like I said, FBI has an entirely different thing that I am uninvolved in. So I cannot speak, I do not know, I am 100% not involved in the FBI's investigation, because I am not FBI.
Okay.
I'm just Miami Beach, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, thank you.
So first off, good morning, Ms. Williams. Detective Alvarez. I know we briefly spoke, maybe for like a minute or so, Just so that you're aware that I was gonna go ahead and record the conversation, and I do have your permission, correct?
Yes.
Okay. For the record, if you don't mind, can you just state your full name?
Christina Williams.
I know I asked you beforehand, but I'll ask you again just for the purposes of clarity in the recording. At the moment right now, you're not under the influence of any narcotics or medications, alcoholic beverages, or any substances that will impede your ability to provide a proper statement or understand the way that I'm talking to you?
No.
Okay, and just for the record, you do understand the way that I'm speaking to you?
Yes.
Okay, if at any point in time the communication doesn't go through clearly or anything, just stop me and let me know so we could go back and touch base on whatever it is that we're missing. Or maybe I talk too fast, because it happens sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, so at this point in time, I know that you're aware, obviously, of the investigation I'm conducting. We spoke yesterday on the phone briefly, and you were kind enough to meet with me today via Zoom so we could go ahead and conduct the interview.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't want to mess up your name. Is it Alon or Elon?
Alon.
Alon, okay.
It's black, it has no sugar in
All
it.
right. I know you saw me earlier. My name is Detective Alvarez, and this is Detective Smith.
Alon Alexander. Can I just ask you where my family is?
Your family, like your wife or your children, they're back at the in front of your residence with the FBI. Yeah, they're still there. As far as I know that they were placed in an SUV with members of their team. So I know that they're back there when we left, obviously. I just got a couple of questions. It's very simple. Obviously, I mean, there's no really need, we don't need to cut around too much. Obviously, the FBI, I'm not part of the FBI neither, is he? We work for Miami Beach, okay, with detectives here in Miami Beach. Obviously, the FBI executed a warrant in your residence today, okay, for whatever case they're investigating. We have a case that we're investigating from our jurisdiction, okay, it's back an incident that named you as an apparent subject back in 2016. Yeah,
Okay.
sometime in December 31st of 2016. Okay, we would obviously love to talk to you if you wanted to talk to us. If that's something that you want to do or not, I mean, it's up to you.
I guess I need to talk to my lawyer. I have a lawyer already for the civil cases, so.
Okay, so I kind of figured that was going to be your answer.
Yeah.
I do understand that you guys are, you and your family members or what have you may be facing some sort of civil issues or what have you. So, okay, so you say that you do have a lawyer and you do want a representation, correct?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So I'm not even going to read you your rights or anything like that, because at the end of the day, we're not even going to get to question or anything, and at the end of the day, everything's being recorded, okay? Do you have any questions for me that I can answer for you? As far as I can answer,
yeah.
obviously.
If you can tell me what anything's about, I'd like to know what's going on.
Well, obviously, just so you do know, what I will tell you is that I cannot give you any details because obviously you chose to not speak to us, obviously, which is your right, of course. But on today's date, from our jurisdiction at least, you will be arrested. Okay, you're gonna be charged with a sexual battery, and there's an arrest warrant that was placed into the system on yesterday's date. Okay, today's Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, so it was placed in the system yesterday.
For which incident?
December 31st, 2016. I can't give you any more details because you don't want to talk to us, so I can't give you any more details on that, okay? The allegation made by a young lady, incident that took place around that time or on that day. And we sought arrest warrants for you and your brother for that specific case, and they were granted by the judge.
For an incident that occurred here?
Yeah, our jurisdiction, correct. Okay,
So how long ago was that?
coming up on 8 years. Yeah, December 31st, 2024 will make 8 years.
Okay. And
Okay.
you can't share any more information about
At the moment that you ask for legal counsel, I cannot go any more into details on our investigation. If you wanted to talk to us, then certainly I could share more things with you, and we could go into that conversation. That's something that's strictly up to you, obviously. Okay.
when do I call my lawyer?
We're gonna go ahead and put your arrest affidavit together, and you're gonna be transported. So as soon as you get transported out of here, you can make the phone call. All right. Thank you, sir.